Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to crochet the quick shells crochet stitch. In this video, I'm just going to use some 24/7 cotton from Lion brand and a 5mm crochet hook. For this stitch pattern, you want to chain in multiples of 3 plus 2. So I'm going to chain 12 and then add 2 more, and I'll have a total of 14 stitches in this sample. Okay, that's 12, so I'm going to chain 2 more stitches. Row 1, you're going to work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. The loop here on your hook does not count. Here's the first chain, there's the second. Work 1 single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. So your repeat is going to be chain 3, skip 2 chain stitches, so skip 1, 2, into the third 1 single crochet. So just repeat that all the way across, chain 3, skip 2 stitches, and 1 single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2, 1 single crochet. Chain 3, and last 3 stitches, skip 2 and 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Okay, row 2, chain 3 and turn. The chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. So right here in the same stitch, you're going to work 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is going to be like 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, so right here into the chain 3 space, 1 single crochet, and then here into the single crochet you want to work 3 double crochets, and that's going to be your repeat until your last stitch. Okay, that's 2 and then 3. Okay, 1 single crochet into this chain 3 space, 3 double crochets into the single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 space, 1 single crochet, and another 3 double crochets into the next single crochet, one single crochet in this chain 3 space. Now you have 1 single crochet left. You're going to work 2 double crochets instead of 3, and that'll match the beginning of this row. So there's 1, and 2. Okay, row 3, chain 1 and turn. Work 1 single crochet into the same stitch, so right in here, 1 single crochet, and chain 3. We're going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, into the next 1 single crochet. So this is going to be the center stitch from that 3 double crochet in the last row. Okay, again, we're going to chain 3, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet into the next. So that's going to be the repeat, chain 3, skip 3, and 1 single crochet into the next. When you get to the end, it will be the third chain from the beginning, chain 3. Skip 3. So right here, this was your double crochet, this was your chain 3. Into the third chain of the chain 3 is where you will work your single crochet. So right on top, 1 single crochet. All right, that's it. You're just going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you're happy with your size. Again, here is the sample that I crocheted using a different yarn. I started with this one, but the yarn color was a little hard to see on camera, so I redid it with the golden color. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you next time.